Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this gorgeous makeup look for you guys. It was using the Anastasia Prism palette. It was my first time using this palette and I have to say that I am in love. All the colors in this palette are amazing, and today I went for this smoky eye with a little bit of green and I feel like it looks great. I love the lips, love the face makeup. So yeah, if you want to know how I have achieved this makeup look, just keep on watching. So as always, I'm gonna use my Pond's moisturizer and I'm gonna apply it all over my face. Now for primer, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Okay, now for foundation, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. So here is the foundation and I have this one in the shade 290. So I'm gonna be applying it everywhere. So there we have it. It looks really nice. And it's actually my right shade, so I really like it. Okay, now for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. Okay, and now we just blend. So I love how everything is looking so far. This has a lot of coverage. So yeah, really nice. And now it's time to use another new product for me. This is the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm also gonna be using my Sephora brushes. So I'm gonna use this big powder brush to put the translucent powder. Wow, these things come super well packed. Like, I have so much plastic to take off. I love this brush. It's super soft. Okay, so now I'm gonna be using my contour palette from Kat Von D. So I think I'm gonna be taking this middle shade and maybe move to this one and maybe that one to do the contour, but we'll see. So I was gonna use this brush to do my contour because it says that you can use it for that, highlighting and contouring. But it's super pretty and I think it's gonna be better for highlights, so I'm gonna bring my own brush. So this is the brush that I'm gonna be using. It's the M459 from Morphe. So taking that middle shade, okay, and now we have to blend this. So I'm gonna take this angle brush. I feel like it's too soft to blend the contour, so I'm gonna bring another brush. Okay, so there's the contour and now I'm just getting all the powder off. Now we're gonna go with bronzer. So I'm gonna go back with this angle brush and the Hoola bronzer from Benefit, and we'll see if that applies better. I'm gonna apply a little bit more of bronzer with my other brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyebrows are done. I'm just gonna set them with this Milani eyebrow gel. Okay, and now we're gonna go into eyeshadow and I'm gonna be using my new Prism palette from Anastasia. I'm so excited to use this. Okay guys, look at those colors. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but it's gonna be stunning. So yeah, this is the palette that we're gonna be using. So I think that I'm gonna use this green shade. So it's probably gonna be a smoky eye. Okay, so I'm gonna go first with Unity. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this shade, Saturn, and I'm gonna be putting that on my crease. Oh my god, this eyeshadow, it's so pigmented. Okay, now I'm gonna be taking this shade, it's called Parallel, and again, we're gonna be applying this on the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia brush that comes in the palette. And I'm gonna start working with Tron, the green shade, and we're gonna put that on the lid. Wow, this is super pigmented. I like it. Wow, and this is without even cutting the crease, so the pigmentation in this shadow, it's so great. Oh my god. Okay, I love it. Now we're gonna add the black color. So I'll be taking a little bit. So I should have done my eyes first and then my face makeup because I'm having a little bit of fallout. But it's fine. So just with a little bit of black, that's all you need. And now I'm just gonna add a little bit more of green. Okay, so now we're gonna work on the bottom lash line, and all the colors that we put on the crease, we're gonna put on the bottom lash line, the first half of it, and then for the other half, we're gonna put the green. Okay, so now black liner for the waterline. Now I'm gonna do my liquid liner and apply some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so eyelashes and eyeliner are done, and I'm loving this look. I know it's a little bit dark, but if you have any party to go to at night or something, or going to the club, whatever you like, I think that this looks amazing. Okay, now for highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Becca highlighter in the Chain Moonstone, and I'm gonna be applying that on the inner corner. Now for lips, I have this liquid lipstick set from Anastasia, so we're gonna be picking a shade, maybe this one. We'll see how it looks like. Okay, so there we have it. I like it, but I don't know if I should go a little bit darker, because the other darker shade that I have is this one, but I'm scared it might be a little bit too dark, so maybe we're just gonna go with this shade. It's super pretty, by the way. I haven't tried these ones before, but I love it. It's super pretty. Okay, so we're almost done. Now for the last step, we need to use the Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist from Kat Von D, and I haven't tried it before, so it's my first time. We're just gonna set our makeup. Okay, you guys, so here is our makeup look all done. I am in love with everything. I love the eyeshadow, I love the lipstick, I love the highlighter, everything, and this Fenty Beauty foundation, it's so awesome. My skin looks beautiful and it feels so light on the face, like I don't even feel like I have makeup on. That is the most incredible thing. I am so happy with all of this. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I would love for you to try it. I know it's a little bit dramatic, but it looks beautiful, so you should try it. And yeah, that's everything that I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys!